I'm showing you the mosint tool, how to install the mosint tool in your Kali Macs. So first make cd and slash and opt and press enter. Okay, after that make ls. After that, see here, I already installed the mosint here. Okay, so if you want to install mosint, go to Google and search for the mosint GitHub and press enter for the first link. Okay, afterwards copy the code from there, copy it, come back to your terminal and paste here in /opt terminal. Okay, clone here. Okay, press enter and clone it here and press enter. I already installed this one, guys, that's why I'm not doing again. After that, make ls. See, there is a mosint, cd mosint, press enter. After that, make ls. Sorry, clear it first. Afterwards, make ls. See, there is a mosint. Afterwards, make apt install Go language, because this tool will run in the Go language, guys. So please install the Go language. I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. It will take some time in your terminal. After that, apt install. Sorry. After that, make another terminal. Okay, and ls and change directory, go to download file folders, cd and download file folders. Okay, go in it and you have to download. You have to come back to the same process again, the mosint GitHub page. Okay, and there will be a tar. Okay, we have to download that tar release. Go there and press enter. Go there and for the fourth release. Okay, there will be assist and click there. There is a small arrow, click there, download this one, mosint Linux. You have to download this one, mosint Linux zx8664 tar.zx zx, sorry, zx. Okay, and come back to a terminal, download it and come back to your download terminal, make ls, it will be there. Okay, see, here it is. Okay, here it is. After that, put this command. I'll give this command. Put this command. Here it is, and put this command. Okay, put this command, tar-zx pf, and you download the tool, that tool's name, and -6 -c, sorry, c, capital C, and /opt/mosint. Okay, and make and come back to your mosint opt, come back to your opt and mosint, and you can see the green color mosint. You can see the green color mosint. Okay, it's done, guys. Now you have to become the green color. Now you have to install. You have to install apt install docker. Okay, docker.io, because this will run by Go language also, with docker also. See, there is a docker file. You can run from the docker file also. So please install the apt install docker. It will take some minutes in your terminal, guys. I already installed this one. After that, type this command. Docker build -t mosint dot. Okay, docker build -t mosint last dot space and dot and press enter. Okay, it will take some minutes in your terminal, guys. The file will get download. It will take some time. After that, type another command. Docker run -it small it -rm -rm and mosint. Okay, docker run -it -rm mosint. Hyphen means minus. Okay, see guys, the tool is running now. You can see. See guys, I will run again. Docker run -t -rm mosint. For example, I am taking the test@gmail.com. You can search any Gmail. For example, I will type test@gmail.com. Okay, and press enter. Now the tool is running. See guys, the tool is running successfully without any error. See guys, the tool is running now. See guys, you can see now. See, it's running successfully without any error. Thanks for watching, guys.